nothing leaves here unless it's top-notch.
At Loaf Bakery, 2 teams of MasterChef contestants have less than 4 hours left to bake 8 different types of bread. But so far, things haven't been going well.
I love donuts. They're going to look amazing.
I'm seeing some donuts up the top that are beautiful and round. I'm seeing some down here that didn't quite get rolled well enough.
Simon laughed at some of my donuts. But if you come around, see, they get better as you go. But overall, we thought they were really good.
Well, I guess the sooner you cook them, the better, huh?
Yeah. I never knew that donuts were deep fried. You don't really think about donuts in this way. They're really not healthy. It's fun. Damn.
This isn't mine. This is for the pinwheels. This is a team challenge. So it's everybody pull together, all for one and one for all. That was the sort of general approach we had. He had that to the underside and the folded bit on the top. Don't know if it makes any difference.
No,
but
it doesn't make any difference.
Well, I'd go with exactly what he did.
It's dough, it's flour, won't make any difference.
Tony seemed a little bit slack. I felt that at times I had to just give a little assertion. We're running way behind. Get the skin on it and just get it, make it, so I can make it a bit malleable.
I think he thought I was slacking or I was being too casual, but I was just trying to pace myself by that stage.
You don't want to put them into cold, ready to go, so you're not relying on them?
Might be a good idea. I'll do that.
It's team, mate, it's team.
He tends to drag things out a bit, and he sort of overreacted a little bit. He sort of took it a little bit too far.
I think Tony needs to make sure that he's focused, totally focused on the task that's at hand. Not say it's all there, might be ready to go. It will be ready to go. We will have it ready to go. We are going to win this challenge. It's not, don't fart around and fluff around, mate. Get it ready. Get it ready.
I tell you what I can tell you, everybody. I'm seeing Sean walk around this bakery looking really nervous and looking at his watch all the time. And you guys are just like cruising. It's all about being on time.
When it came to actually rolling out the croissants from triangles, my first attempt was not that pretty.
What is that?
That was my first attempt.
That is just... I'm glad you find it funny. I think it's disgusting.
Sorry.
Come on, triangle.
That is beautiful, thank you.
Done.
It was a bit embarrassing because I think he was a bit panicked at what the result would be.
Crank it.
We were gelling better than the other team. We'd actually just put our first loaves in the oven.
And it goes.
The first batch of bread's just gone in from the red team. Literally just gone in the oven, and we need to get our seeded loaf in there.
Blue team, you ready with your seeded loaves? Let's go. Ready for this? No way. Yeah, you're all going to get out.
I'm not sure why the fire alarm went off. There was no fire.
Out to the front car park, please. Preferably away from the building, folks, because if it does go up in smoke, you might want to be away from it.
Once we got out into the car park, we were still very determined. We were still going through the plans of what we were going to do once we got back in.
That bread's going to overproof.
Yeah. My bread's going to overproof. What about your donuts?
We need to get our bread in the oven, otherwise it's going to overproof. It seems forever for fire trucks to get there. We were just about to put our bread in the oven and all hell's broken loose. Pulled out of bed, dragged here, making bread at ridiculous hours in the morning, and then now we're standing outside in the freezing cold, waiting for them to turn the fire alarm off.
No fire. I'm not quite sure what the story is.
Come on, we got bread proving.
Yeah, we got bread proven. We got bread in the oven.
I think we ended up waiting outside for the fire brigade for about half an hour.
You all go back in.
We finally get let back in, and you can just see our bread's totally overproofed.
They rose up too much and got a bit sticky.
Wow, it looks a sticky little business. What went wrong? Wouldn't be the flour thing, would it?
It turns out we didn't actually put enough flour on the bread mats.
Take your time. Gentle.
When we were ready to put the ciabatta dough into the oven, we didn't put enough semolina down on the tray first, which is when the problem started to snowball.
Make sure it locks in. Yeah, that's it.
Slid the tray into the oven,
There you go, come on.
pulled it out again.
Oh, did you guys semolina your peel? Look at that. Well done, red team. Look at that.
And it just ripped the dough and pulled it out with the tray and onto the floor.
Okay. So, how do you think we recover from this team?
Yeah, I was pretty gutted at that point.
I suggest you get a dough scraper and you scrape all of this off the peel and clean the oven. Come on, let's go, because now you're holding up the blue team, so their bread's overproving. Don't put a hole in my cloth.
Sean wasn't too happy with the mess we left on his oven.
Not much chance of recovery from that one.
It just stuck.
Well, it's a really sticky dough anyway, ciabatta. Yeah, so what a disaster.
They are deep in trouble. And right now, Sean is not happy at all. In fact, he's decidedly off.
I just had to salvage whatever dough I could and get as much of it in the oven.
It's red team that's gone downtown in there, is it? Oh, thank God. This helps my chances greatly, so I think my equity's just gone up.
I really hope you've learned from the last mistake, right? Because that was disastrous.
It's a very good day to be wearing blue. But things could change, you never know.
Are we going to get some sense of urgency?
Somebody from the blue team?
Anyone from the blue team?
From the blue team, you're waiting to get ciabatta in, right?
Yes, we are.
You've got beautiful ciabatta, and right now the red team is holding you up. Are you going to get in and help them? Are you going to push them? Are you going to give them some knocking? What's going on?
My initial instinct is I need to help these guys. Even though they're the opposition, I need to get my bread in the oven.
This is MasterChef. There's going to be somebody going home today, and these guys are screwing you up.
Even some of the blue team got in and helped, which was great, but I think it actually caused more problems because we weren't talking to each other.
Come on, guys, move it, and I want good quality ciabatta, and don't make it stick to the peel again. You better make it quick, because blue team's ciabatta is looking fantastic, and you are ruining it for them.
We need to get this out. Get it out now.
And the pressure was really on it.
Just keep going, keep going. Oh, you've done it again!
And that's when all hell broke loose.
Yeah, the same thing happened twice. It's falling apart twice.
What am I going to tell my customers today, guys? You got half an oven of ciabatta. I hope it's enough.
I ended up getting 12 loaves instead of 25.
You've made an absolute mess of my oven. I would have sacked all of you by now, all right? Come on.
I was so gutted because it's my bread that was up next, the ciabatta. It was perfect. I was so happy with it, and I was so worried it was going to overproof, so fingers crossed it hasn't, and it still comes out well.
I know we're tired, and we should get through this, okay? Yeah, but work as a team. Team challenge, remember? Yep. Let's go. Yes, do it.
2 hours to go, everybody. Just 2 hours. Your bread should be in the oven.
Gently. Up here.
Can you just bring that tray that way? Back on track. I start laying it on as quick as I can, but gently. No, we need some more. We need some more. Find it down. Semolina. I want to make sure this is perfect. Is it locked in?
It's been a long, long night so far, guys. Keep it going, eh?
All right, look at that. All right, how good is that? Just 1 hour left, 60 short minutes. You guys are fast running out of time.
I'm just an amateur cook from Rotorua. This is my first attempt at making pastry. I don't want to let the company down. They have to deliver this to Hilton. I just hope it's good enough.
But we need to put this other bread in the oven, blue team.
Gentle. You spend all this time making dough. Don't treat it like something you throw in the backyard.
We're down to the last half hour. If your bread isn't in the oven yet, you're cutting it mighty fine.
It was down to the wire last few minutes. There were times when we thought that we may not get enough bread out to the customers.
Is it ready? Your seeded loaf. Be careful, run, you'll fall over. We actually might have some all right looking sourdough. Easy, take your time.
I'm just watching it. I'm so excited. I'm just looking at my loaves thinking, I've created this. It just smells awesome. It looks great. Fantastic colour.